All right, we're down here at Young Truck and Trailer Center in Kaysville, Utah. This is the 2020 Logan Coach horsepower trailer. This is their ZBROZ Racing Edition. This trailer is has a 31-foot box on it. Here in the front, we do have the roll-up door that will protect your propane tanks and your 2 batteries in there. This trailer, it is sitting on a galvanized steel frame. This one, it is their charcoal gray color. Of course, with the gooseneck trailers, you do have the front and rear loading ramps. This one has the power hydraulic jack, the 50-gallon fuel station there. That makes it nice that when you're out riding all weekend, you don't have to worry about coming back into town to fill up your ATVs or your snowmobiles again. Here on the side, you also do have a fueling door. This trailer does have 2 man doors on it. It has one on the driver's side just above the axles. Then it does have the second one over there on the passenger side. Plenty of lighting all the way around, all above your doors there. This trailer is sitting on 2 6,000-pound torsion axles. Come around the back side. This trailer is already integrated with reverse lights on the back. This one, it has the Vortex spray and liner. This is a very durable liner. I've seen a few of these trailers that people use for a few seasons, and yeah, the liner still looks like in great shape with them. This one does have the VersaTrack tie-down system. You have it spanning the full length of the trailer. Here in the back, it does have a drainage channel, so you can just pull those plugs out. So when got this thing full of snow from riding all day, just pull those plugs and you let all the snow just melt and run out the back there. So this trailer does have 2 power roof vents, one in the back here, then there's also one up the front. You got a couple of workbenches, 2 flip-down regular benches. This trailer does have USB and 12-volt plugs. There's a couple here on the back side, and there's some on the front of the cabinet as well. It does have the 2 programmable thermostats. So here at the front of the trailer, you can see that there's the big furnace there on top, and there's a smaller furnace that's underneath those cabinets that will heat those cabinets up. That way you can dry your snow suits out and your helmets. Then there on the left side is a boot dryer box. There's 2 rows of heating in there for your boots to dry them back out again. You can also store your boots in there just to keep them out of the way. Then this trailer also does have your sound system in there. There's speakers all throughout the trailer. Up here in this cabinet, you do have a couple of outlets and some more USB plugs and 12-volt plugs. See. Then here at the top, you also have a center mount roof point. Makes it nice if you need to work on your snowmobile at all. You just hook a strap to the back of your snowmobile and hook it up to that loop up there, and you can lift the back end of your sled up. So again, this is a 2020 Logan Coach horsepower trailer, and this is their ZBROZ Racing Edition. Also with this package, this trailer, it is fully insulated all the way around on your walls, ceiling, and floor. So thank you for watching, and this trailer is down at Young Truck and Trailers in Kaysville, Utah.